Freshmen, you have been through
470 tutorial hours.
How many hours?
62 seminar hours.
Oh,
2 Dawn rags.
5 papers.
10 finals.
Not to mention 1 pandemic.
You have remaining
1,335 tutorial hours.
306 seminar hours.
4 Dawn rags. 6 papers.
39 finals.
And 1 senior thesis.
Sophomores, you have been through
956 tutorial hours.
126 seminar hours.
4 Dawn rags.
9 papers.
22 finals.
1 Chad.
And 1 pandemic.
You have remaining
848 tutorial hours.
242 seminar hours.
2 Dawn rags.
2 papers.
28 finals.
1 senior thesis.
Juniors, you have been through
1,378 tutorial hours.
238 seminar hours.
6 Dawn rags.
11 papers. 34 finals.
1 Thomas fire.
1 Chad.
and 1 pandemic.
You have remaining
392 tutorial hours.
120 seminar hours.
16 finals.
And 1 senior thesis.
Seniors, we have been through 1,775 tutorial hours.
350 seminar hours.
6 Dawn rags.
Huzzah!
11 papers.
42 finals.
1 normal year.
1 Thomas fire.
1 Chad.
1 pandemic.
And 1 senior thesis!
We have remaining 1 graduation!
But it's okay. Are we just like all saying bye randomly at different times?
Yeah, basically just like the typical end of class. Sounds good?
Yes. Who are we saying bye to?
Each other! Do whatever you want, okay?
Just wave goodbye.
You don't have to say anything if you don't want to.
We're saying goodbye to you.
Okay. So.
Later, you all answer my question.
Ryan, we'll see you later. Bye, Ryan.
Okay.
Wait, aren't we saying bye to the other 3 classes?
We're saying bye to everybody, so you just don't say bye.
Yeah.
Don't specify it.
Wait, what's going on?
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.